Welcome to this week's episode, a bit of a workshop update on what's been happening. The 37 Ford truck, the big blue and black one, we're basically calling that done. We just gave it a bit of a clean and a little bit of paint touching up, and it's sorted. So the customer's going to pick that up next week, I'd say, just depending on the weather. Craig spent a fair bit of time making the custom running boards for the little 28 Ford pickup that you can see that we've been working on. So we'll do a little bit of a how-to on how we did that. If you look behind me, you can see we've topped up our merch as well. Like we've got the 32 Roadster t-shirt design in 4 colours now, sizes medium through to triple XL. Also got some SoCal stuff in during the week as well. If you like what we're doing, you got to do the whole hit, like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. We do have some pretty good stuff coming up. We've got a new project. It's a shop project, hot rod, and what we're going to try and do is really document the build. So we're going to try and do it so every Friday we try and do 3 or 4 hours on it. And I reckon it's pretty cool. It's something a bit different. So I think you'll enjoy that, but probably be 2 or 3 weeks before we get into that. But check out the episode. Bit of a feature on the 37 Ford truck. A little bit of stuff on Rose and Don's pickup. Enjoy the episode.
Okay, take 2.
Action.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes
okay,
well.
I've been working on Don and Rose's pickup, the running boards. We couldn't use standard running boards because we had to extend it. So basically I've made up a framework off there, joining front and back guards and the balances. Made it at an angle. That was all welded up and bolted to the running board brackets, and then I just wheeled up some 1.2 mil plug welded it down there and then welded it all the way around. So because it's going to sit in the weather, you don't really want to just tack it and then fill it with fiberglass like some people do, because otherwise it'll just rust. So we've welded it all the way around, and then so like this will get primed and just sanded a little bit, and then it will get Raptor coated or whatever they call it, which is basically this sort of stuff here, which is very durable, and it sort of looks like a factory sort of rubbery finish.
Yeah.
So yeah, it looks the right way around. Yeah, I think so. No, I haven't. So that'll bolt up there. Obviously, I've still got to drill the holes in the end of it, and yeah, that's it.
Very good. So the 37 Ford truck came to us as basically just a cab on a sort of mostly rebuilt chassis that we then had to go through and paint all the chassis, finish off a few bits and pieces mechanically, the brakes and that sort of thing. All the front sheet metal had to be fitted, adjusted, fix the radiator support panel, and the grille shell had to be fixed up and repaired. All the rear bed, we had to pull that all apart, take all the wood off, get all new wood, have it machined, refitted, varnished, stained. The front bumper was re-chromed and everything all refitted. We fully rewired the car, finished off the mechanical stuff. There was a lot of exhaust had to be done and all that sort of stuff. It's all indicators fitted, reorganised all the interior to be done. Power windows with switches that look like winders. Fuel tank had to be recleaned, everything like that. Fitted the Classic Instruments gauges. The vehicle is now fully registered, runs, drives, been out for a test drive, everything like that. And it is a promotional vehicle for the customer's olive farm. You might see it out at some country fairs and that sort of thing. But we've enjoyed the build. Hope you like the look of it. And I'm sure the customers are very happy.